In this tutorial, I am not only going to show you how to group and ungroup objects in Autocad, but also how you can apply this powerful command in Autocad to make your work 10 times easier. So for example, I have this drawing. This drawing is not to scale, and I want to scale it using other drawings here in Autocad. I want to scale it using this drawing, all right? But at the same time, I do not want, I want to group it using that object. So I will use the group command. So I was searching for this image. It's so small that it disappears. I will use the group command. So the first thing I will do is to group this. Right click on your mouse, go, you can see group and then group. Now you can see if you select it, if you pick anything here, all objects will be selected because they have been grouped. So I will move this object from here. So I want to uncheck that. I will move it to this point. Right? So I want to scale it using this drawing. So I will select, just pick anything. If you pick anything, even this number, everything now is selected. So I want to scale. I want to scale using base point. I want to scale using reference. That is reference. So I will pick from this point to that point. Then I want to make them to have same size. So up to that. So now after this, because I have grouped this, it will be easy for me to separate this drawing from the other drawing. So I'll just pick anything there and move it. That point. So you can see, if for example, I did the same thing without grouping, this would not be the case. So I can now select and ungroup. Ungroup. So now if I pick this, it only select the one object because I have not grouped it. So if I was trying to maybe move this object, separate it from this other drawing without ungrouping, I will have to pick each and every single object here, and some object may be colliding, so it would be very difficult to do that. But after you group it, it is very easy to work in AutoCAD. That's how you can apply this powerful command. You can make your work 10 times faster if you know how to apply a group and ungroup command and many other commands which I will teach you in my next tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel.